Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos updates. Super momshies, today we are going to create another beautiful flowers made of plastic bottles. So if you are ready, we're going to start now. Super momshies, this is the bottle. We just need this portion. Alright, so we are going to cut this. So this is how it looks like. Now we're going to paint this with acrylic color. Alright, super momshies, this is how it looks like. So we're going to use this bottle cap also, and we're going to cut also ribbons to put it at the center. So we will cut like this size. Now we'll start to do the assembly. We're going to arrange it. Alright, super momshies, we're going to continue to arrange to create a flower bouquet. Alright, super momshies, this is the final flower bouquet. So before we will end up this video, I would like to give a mega love shout out to all subscribers and non-subscribers and the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, babushi!